Welcome to AlertOps video tutorial series. In this video we will be covering group member roles, what they are, how you can use them, and how they can enable you to build out your ideal incident response process. Let's get started. AlertOps features two types of roles, permissions roles and group member roles. Permissions roles such as basic, app admin, and billing admin provide the level of permissions a user has to various modules within the application. For more information around permissions roles, please view the relevant documentation and videos. Group member roles determine the place of an individual in an on-call schedule, their position in an escalation chain, and how they will be notified according to an escalation policy. Group member role for users are selected within the individual groups users are part of. Users can have different member roles for different groups they are part of. AlertOps group member roles can be primaries, secondaries, or managers. Member roles are configured in one of two places. In groups without any schedules, you can select the roles of your members within the Members tab of your group. Here, we see that we can select the users that will be primary, secondary, or managers within our group. Additionally, you can determine the notification sequence that you'd like your users to be notified within your escalation chain. Keep in mind that you can multiple members of any role at a given time, meaning you can have more than one primary or more than one secondary on your schedules at any point. For groups that have schedules in place, member roles are configured for each user within the schedule itself. Here we have our group calendar for a team with schedules in place. We see that in different schedules, we have different individuals with different member roles. When we click into a schedule, we can edit the corresponding member roles within the Users in Schedule section. The order of the member roles selected for a particular user will determine the order in which individuals will be alerted according to the escalation rule that is used to notify these users. In a fixed schedule, the member roles that you select for your users will stay constant from week to week within your schedule, as you see here. In a rotating schedule, your users in schedule will be the order of individuals that you'd like to rotate into your role. The member roles selected will be the individuals in those roles at the start of that schedule. Based on your rotation interval, frequency, your users will become the appropriate member roles as you see within this calendar. For more information around rotations, please refer to our knowledge base for content around rotating schedules. Thank you for taking a look at group member roles with AlertOps. For information around member roles within escalation rules or for more videos, please check out our knowledge base or YouTube.